Hello out there, you guys. So today I am here making another video. I'm going to show you how to get a quick, easy hairstyle. I just washed my hair and I didn't do anything to it yet. As you can see, my hair is natural. It is super duper thick. No, I don't have time to be trying to fix this every day, do something to it. Y'all see this. First of all, I know y'all probably see my name. It's super long. My name is pronounced Marshana, not Mershana, not Marshayona, not Marshawana. Marshana is just that simple, real easy. And my mom's name is Vishana. It's spelled the same way. Crazy. My grandma named her, of course, and then she kind of named me after her. And my dad's name is Mark. So that's when you get the Mark and the Shana, you put that together. And that's how you get a black girl name. So, whew, y'all think I got time for this? No. So that's why I have to get super creative with easy ways to do my hair without damaging it. I don't like flat ironing my hair too much. I probably get my hair flat ironed maybe 3-4 times a year when I just want to wear my real hair. And it's not that I don't like wearing my real hair. I love to wear my real hair, but it's just so much work. I ain't gonna lie, I can't even blame her. My hair. And it used to be way longer than this. Anybody who know me know my hair was like super long. And it's still kind of long, but it's not as long as it was. So just imagine it being like this thick and then like way down here somewhere. I am a dental assistant. That's my main job, but it's not like my only job. I like to do a little bit of everything. Anything that I can do to make me some extra money, y'all, I'll do it. As long as it's not like prostituting or being a stripper. Although sometimes I lie and tell people I'm a stripper. So my main job is a dental assistant. I've been a dental assistant for like 9 years. Don't try and do the math and trying to guess my age, because I ain't telling y'all right now, y'all. That doesn't matter. Not that I care, but I like the fact that when people trying to assume how old I am, it's like super young, and it's like, no. Girl is super grown. Okay, what else I do? I drive. I just started driving Uber. Oh my God, I have to do a story time video about driving Uber. I have so many stories. I'm from New Orleans, born and raised. So I started driving Uber for Mardi Gras 2019. When I tell you the stuff that happened in my car, y'all not gonna even believe it. Y'all gonna think it's a fake story time. Like, that's how much went down in my car. Like, driving Uber for Mardi Gras with a bunch of drunk people. Isn't that cute? I know it looks dirty, but for 30 bucks. Got this for 30 bucks at Home Goods. Out now. So I'm doing a half wig. I'm gonna show y'all the wig and everything, but let me get my hair laid down. So I'm only gonna leave a little hair out in the front just to cover the front part of the wig. And I'm gonna just braid the back down. Now you don't have to braid the back down. You could just put it in a little ponytail and just slick it down good, but I want to wear this for a few days, but I like to take it off at night, and I don't want to have to wake up in the morning and do anything to my bushy hair. I should have put a little rinse because I still have a little blonde piece in front of my hair, so it might not match my wig as perfectly as I would like it. My arms and my fingers. To deal with that, how shit. Deal with it as it comes. Well, let's talk a little bit more about my career path. I was going to school for dental hygiene, and then I decided that school was just taking forever, taking out all the student loans to pay for school. And as it got closer and closer to the end, money's running out, and so I had to make a decision, like either continue on for this, like Is that something that I really want to do for the rest of my life? And yes, I did and I do. But the only thing was when I thought about how much money I would be making, it was like, that's not gonna, it's good money if you're a single person like me. I don't have any kids, nothing to worry about, so that would be great. But when I thought about it, it's like if I start a family and start having kids, that's not enough for me, like the type of lifestyle that I want to live one day. And I'm doing pretty good right now. So I decided to change my career path. And guess what, y'all? I decided to change my career path based off a something that I got out of a fortune cookie. My fortune cookie said a sudden change in plans will lead to your success. A sudden change in your plans will lead to your success. And that was like confirmation for me at that time, because I was struggling, like what to do. This is not gonna work. This is not enough. What should I do? Praying. So when I saw that fortune cookie, I was just like, okay, it's time for a change. What am I gonna do? So I was like, I'm very into real estate and being like a designer. Like I love everything about just real estate. Like I love everything about it. So I decided to kind of slowly take a turn, and that's where I kind of started looking into buying a house and renting it out. But then along came Airbnb, and it's like, okay, that's working for me now, and things are progressing more and taking off a lot faster. So that was like the best decision I ever made. So I did all these doggone years in school and didn't finish and changed my career path, and things are like going great. Things are looking up. Things are doing so much better. So now I'm all braided up, y'all. And now I'm just gonna pin my braids up with a little bobby pin. Hold up. Here's the wig that I'm using today, y'all. This wig was $23. I'm pretty sure if I would have like ordered it offline, it might have been a little bit cheaper. It's called Vanessa. Wait, what brand it is? Express. It's called Express Weave. Damn, light's so bright. There she is, Vanessa Express Weave, in the color black, maybe whatever, something like that. And it's what's that say? To this braid in the front, stick it in there like that. And like I said, I should have dyed my hair, but I'm not worried about all that. I should have dyed it black because my wig is really black. Usually I would dye my hair black, but ain't nobody got time for that right now. We just gonna make it work and make it do what it do. Bam. So we got the wig on, and I'm gonna take this a loose. And what I do is put a lot of product on my hair to just make it kind of blend with the wig. So I use like some edge control. I love right now my favorite is Jam. When I'm trying to get like a curly look, this Jam, it really makes my hair get like wavy. And I love this to really lay my edges. This stuff really lay your edges, y'all. What this is? The Style Factor Edge Boost. And it's not really pink on the inside. They all clear. They just come in different colors. Damn, this light is so bright. Whatever. Okay? So, bam, I got like a lot of this. A lot of it, y'all. So you got to put it all down your hair if your hair is natural. This is how I make my hair blend. Now, you might have to find a different way to make your hair blend with this wig. Like, you can use a deep wave, like one of those crimper deep wave irons or whatever. I don't have one of those yet, but I'm going to buy one of those, y'all. I like those things. Like, deep waves are coming back. Y'all know that was an old school hairstyle. But they coming back with the deep waves. And I mean deep wave your hair, not this wig. This wig is not to be hot curl. This is a cheap wig. Uh-oh, where's my brush? Let me get the brush, y'all. I don't know. So the way I kind of comb this, I'm combing it kind of like under, like it's covering the wig, but I'm still combing it kind of like under here, like as far as my extra hair. Look how slick that is, y'all. Look at how slick that is with that jam. So you see how I kind of combed it under and then kind of came over with it. We're gonna do the same thing over here.
This be the hardest part, to get it to lay right, so where everything is nice and covered. But it's not hard, it's just, that's probably the most difficult part about it. Same thing over here, I kind of comb it under. Comb the little sideburns out a little bit to make it look natural, because that's just going to roll up into like a little curl, because that's how my hair do. So it's just going to look kind of curly. And see right here where my hair is still kind of blind, I used to have like a blind stripe right there, so it's kind of, that's why I was saying I should have dyed it, but it's blending good enough. Alright, so bam, comb that under, comb that, and then take my big comb and just kind of blend it some more, comb that, and then with the jam, my hair kind of, it starts to kind of go with the curl of this hair. That makes sense. See how it's getting kind of curly just like the hair. And then you gotta kind of style it, and this hair is so soft, y'all. Push that under like that. The way I like to style it is to kind of give it like a tossed look. So I kind of do it like that, so it can lay right. Fluff that up a little bit.
I'm gonna take a little bit of foam just to kind of make it stay in place. Give it that wet look, and this is what make it look like some expensive hair, because it starts to look a little wet, like a wet curl. My lips are so red, but this hair is so soft. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like this hair, because I love it, even if you don't. So don't forget to like, leave a little comment below telling me what you like or what you didn't like, or what you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I think I'm gonna do a giveaway pretty soon, y'all, so keep watching, stay tuned. Oh my god, this hair is so soft, y'all. It's gonna look so cute like when I get dressed, okay? And my edges are slick.